In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up target accounts in HubSpot in just 5 minutes. First, open your web browser and navigate to the HubSpot website. You'll want to make sure you're on the official site, so double-check the URL. Once you've landed on their homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner. You'll see a login button. Click there. You're now presented with a login screen. To streamline this process, you're going to select Sign in with Google. This option allows you to log in using your Google account. Choose your account from the list provided, and you'll be seamlessly logged into HubSpot without the need to remember yet another password. Now that you're in, head over to the sales section. This is where the magic happens for targeting accounts. On your dashboard, look for and click on the option labeled Target Accounts. This feature is key for honing in on potential clients that you want to engage with more strategically. Once you're in the Target Accounts area, you'll notice an option allowing you to add new accounts. Click on Add Target Accounts. This action will lead you to a selection screen where you can see all companies currently housed in your CRM or Customer Relationship Management system. This integrated feature is incredibly useful for centralizing your efforts and ensuring you're fully utilizing your CRM data. Now, take a look at the list of companies. Scan through and select those you wish to target. If you're unsure which to choose, consider factors like previous engagements, potential growth opportunities, or any strategic goals your company has set. HubSpot allows you to make thoughtful, data-driven selections, so make full use of these tools. After choosing your target companies, look for the Next button and give it a click. This step moves you forward in the configuration process only after ensuring you're satisfied with the accounts you've chosen. Finally, all that's left is a simple click on the Done button. This confirms your choices and completes the setup. And there you have it. You've successfully set up target accounts in HubSpot, allowing you to focus your efforts on high-value companies. Remember, these target accounts are now in your system, primed for outreach, relationship management, and tracking progress. With HubSpot's user-friendly interface and strategic tools, managing target accounts becomes a much more straightforward task. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you streamline your workflow and boost your sales strategy. Feel free to revisit this video if you need a quick refresher. Happy targeting!